Yes, please. Which Hoover is it? Is there a Henry?
Yes. Best Henry Hoover in the world is red, yummy Hoover.
I really like those Henry Hoovers. Do you think you can show me how they work, shopkeeper?
Yeah. Let me show you how this Henry Hoover works.
Show us.
This is Paul. Let me just plug this in so I can have power.
Does he work, Azaria, though? Does he have any suction power?
Yeah, let me show you. Can suck up a cheese all sucking in 1 second. He's super strong.
Hey! That Henry Hoover just sucked up my brother! Oh no! Let me go and save him. Guys, let's go! Henry Hoover's alive and he's attacking us!
How dare that Henry Hoover do that to our sock family?
Yeah! Who does he think he is? Let's go and get Henry. He's over there. He's chilling with all the flamingos and the action mans. There he is. All innocent. Let's get him. Oh no you don't. I'm the strongest Hoover in the world. Henry, attack!
Henry, attack!
Ah no!
This Henry Hoover is too strong. What should we do, guys?
Guys, he can suck us up and he still has suction. What should we do about him? Ha 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 ha! Henry Hoover to the rescue! Azaria, look at this. There's another bad sock.
Suck it up, Henry. Suck it up. Good job, Henry.
Feed this Henry.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
Oh!
Henry can eat anything.
I want him back. No! Henry, don't think this is the last you see of dirty socks. We are hiding everywhere. Under the sofa, under the bed, in the corners. We will find you, Henry, and will we be back stronger and more stinkier. Ha 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 ha. Oh no you won't. I'll always be ready. I'm the best Hoover in the world. No! Please, Henry! Have mercy on me! No!